Have you ever been in situations where you're trying to talk to somebody but unable to? Or you're traveling with somebody for a very long time and still haven't been able to break the ice? Does it happen that you don't know what to speak? If yes, then today's episode is just for you. Welcome to Career Growth. One of the skills that we are talking today is of conversation skills. Yes, you heard it right. Conversation skills. Today we see a lot of youngsters and even individuals find it difficult to maintain a conversation. And being one of the most sought after soft skills, I think it's time you equip yourself with the required skills of conversation, the art of conversing. So what do you mean by conversation? Basically, conversation means an exchange of ideas, maybe thoughts, maybe feelings, and generally it's an informal one. But what stops us from being conversant? First and foremost, maybe you're shy, maybe you don't know the language, or there is an issue talking to the opposite gender. It may also be, will I make mistakes? Will people laugh at me? Is there a fear of ridicule? These can be the many aspects why most of us fear from conversing with somebody, or we try to avoid conversations. One more aspect of avoiding conversation is we don't know a topic. You don't know what to talk about, right? And this happens often. So let's understand how you can identify and handle certain aspects of conversation. To understand the various components of conversations, let's look at the 6 main aspects. First one being starting, entering, maintaining, changing, taking turn, winding up. So what does it mean? These 6 components should help you out to make a success out of any interaction that you have. So let's look at how do you start a conversation. It's a simple, say a hi, hello, greet, or even introduce yourself. Maybe choose a common or a comfortable topic to initiate the interaction. And once you're more confident, make your entry a little more stronger. So how do you enter a conversation? Generally it happens a group is already conversing and you don't know how to enter, or maybe you are a little shy about how do I join in the conversation. So in such a case, a simple way is try to seek their attention, probably by making an eye contact with somebody, or simply at times straight by joining in saying, I have a point to add, and ensure you continue speaking. Sometimes it is also advisable to wait for a pause or a break in the conversation. Once you find that little gap, start speaking. And speaking is essential. That's how you can enter the conversation. The next and the most important part is maintaining the conversation. Sometimes it's easier to do the initial small talk. But after that, how do you maintain it? The best way is to start asking relevant questions, dig a little more deeper into the topic, share your experiences, and then go on adding on. Once you're deep into the topic, at times it might get a little more aggressive, so it makes sense to change the topic. Or maybe you're into a topic of which you're not too much aware about. So what do? Maybe ask, can we change the topic? It seems interesting, or just say, I think we've discussed enough, can we move ahead? That's also a good way of actually ensuring that you move to the next level. Once you've changed the topic, it is essential to figure out, are you the speaker or the listener in the conversation, which means taking the turns. If you realize that you're talking too much, be a little patient and ask your listener if they have any questions or something to share. If you've been the listener, it's time that you share that you also have something to add on to the conversation. And finally, winding it up. Winding or closing the loop is as much essential as initiating the conversation. Maybe ask for another time to continue, or just say, I think we've had enough discussion, let's continue next time. This is how you will go about the conversations. While doing so, ensure that you read up well, you're polite, you show your genuine interest in the person and the topic. Don't feel shy. Don't feel the pressure that you don't know a particular language or you're talking to somebody maybe of authority or of the opposite gender. Be comfortable in sharing your own thoughts. You never know what kind of value addition your thoughts will be doing to the other person. I hope you've got some insights on how to go about conversing, and we, through our channel Career Growth, have been having these conversations with you, and I hope you are enjoying and engaged with us and involved with us. So keep subscribing, keep watching Career Growth.